All right. So let's go on. 17 to 20 we do. All right. We should be more tolerant to microbes or tolerant of microbes. So, Young's book. Now, the clue word is young. Please look for young. Second page, first word. Once you find the location, you will say, ha, I just found it there. Right? Yeah. I have a Pashtun friend. Whenever he understands something, he says, ha. So you can say, ha. Do they say that, Pashtun people? All right. What does it mean? Acha, ha. Whenever I tell him something he likes, he say, ha. All right, exactly. So, let's see. Young. Now, please, let's read the question. We found the location. Let's read the question. Young's book argues that we should be more tolerant of microbes, okay? Many have a beneficial effect. What do they mean by many? Microbes. You should know this thing. Otherwise, you will not understand, okay? Many have a beneficial effect and only a relatively small number. Small number means small number of microbes. You should be clear about it. Small number of microbes leads to dash. Leads to something. Small number. Let's go back. Please follow me. Young's book. Found it? Let's read it. Young's book is in many ways a plea for microbial tolerance, pointing out that while fewer than 100 species of bacteria bring diseases, many thousands more play a vital role in maintaining our health. So what do? They bring diseases. Now find a word for diseases. Illness. So the answer is option G. Okay, for 17, answer is G. 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 Yeah, G. G nu G honda. Okay. Question number 18. Let's go on. And although it is misleading to think of microbes as friendly, underline the word friendly, it's in inverted commas, we should also stop thinking of them. Them means microbes as the enemy. In fact, we should accept that our relationship with microbes is one based on, yeah, let's go back. Our relationship is based on, same paragraph, second last line. Instead, found it? Second last line. Instead, we should realize we have a symbiotic relationship that can be mutually beneficial or mutually destructive. Follow the word mutual. Well done. Mutual means partnership. For 18, answer is B. Okay. Question number 19. And you see, this is a different summary. When the summary is different, location can be different. New research shows that. Can you see this new research somewhere? Second last paragraph, the most recent. Okay, most recent can be new as well. All right, let's read the question. New research shows that microbes have numerous benefits for humans, okay? Amongst other things, they aid digestion, remove poisons, produce vitamins, and may even help reduce obesity. Achha. Yeah, they can help me with my weight loss as well. However, there is a growing problem. Our poor dash, our overuse of antibiotics. Now, answer will come with antibiotics. Poor dash, our poor dash. Please come back. Our poor. Please come to third last paragraph. Can you see the word antibiotics? Third last line. Third last paragraph, third last line, word antibiotics. And our unhealthy, low-fiber diet. Find a word for unhealthy, low-fiber diets. Unhealthy, low-fiber diets. For that, the word is nutrition. Unhealthy, low-fiber diet that is related to nutrition. Answer is H. Yeah, when you go back home, you fight with it. Okay, just find it. Clear? unhealthy, low fat, low fiber diet is our nutrition, our poor nutrition. When we take unhealthy diet, when we take low fiber diet, it is our poor nutrition. So the answer is H. Never write the word, only write H. You know, sometimes you write H, but still you're not satisfied. You want to write more. If you write more, your answer will be wrong. Question number 20. Our overuse of antibiotics and our excessive focus on dash. Excessive focus on something. Come back. Same paragraph. For excessive, they use the word obsession. Our obsession. Obsession and excessive focus, they are same words. Our obsession with hygiene. And by the way, this answer came before 19. So this is also possible. Okay, line is same, sentence is same. Our obsession with hygiene. Now let's see, what is the word for hygiene? Cleanliness, absolutely. So the answer for question number 20 is E.